singing don't worry about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be alright. Hello guys, I'm Vasco from ukulelecheese.com, and today you'll learn how to play Three Little Birds by Bob Marley. The song is originally in the key of A, but I'll show you how to play it in the key of C because it's much easier that way. You only need 3 chords to play the whole song. The chord of C, G, and F. In the chorus you only need C and F, and in the verse you also need G. So it's a pretty simple song. Let's try to play it together. So pretty much that's the whole song. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more videos every week, and also feel free to request song in the comments below because I don't know what to do next. Thank you again. See you soon.